Hello, how are you? In this video, I'm going to show you a small display of data on diagnosis in which I intend to find a vision that is useful in understanding population morbidity in department and that can be of help to decision makers. The diagnoses in Colombia are stored in the Individual Health Service Delivery Registries (RIPS) and are codified under an international health standard that is the ICD, currently in this 10th version. This classification groups the diagnoses that can be represented in three groups: diagnoses for men, women, and both genders. The data that I am going to use corresponds to a small sample of ribs, in which the fields corresponding to the sex of the person have been taken, an ID that relates the different diagnoses that have been given on the same individual and the diagnosis respectively. By consultation can be up to 4 diagnoses on main and 3 secondary. This data has been processed to finally obtain a JSON file which to perform the visualization. We can observe initial a number of points that represent each of the diagnoses in your JSON. These points are now the nodes of a graph, where there is an edge between the diagnoses that have been present for the same person. This edge they allow to see the relation between diagnoses and the behavior of mobility in the population. To activate this view, we can select the option links. Now the nodes according to their repeat appearance in patterns have a weight, which we can use to identify in the visualization in a simple way which are the most frequent diagnoses. In the same way, the edges have a weight that allow us to identify more easily which are the diagnoses that are related with greater frequency, and which are the diagnoses that could be considered divergent in their attention. We can also see the diagnosis through the groups that live in the ICD, or we can calculate on this graph the clusters that are found, and the represented nodes more connected to others. Finally, we have possibility to sum in the observed connection for clearly. Thank you.